Hello dear friend, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Okay, today I'm telling you how can you start online business within 5 minutes and get extra income. This is my company instaforest.com. You can read all information about the company in instaforest.com website. About the company, anything you can check on net, and you can also check on Google about company. This company give you opportunity to get extra income and start business with us. This company uh, do work in trading, online trading, buying and selling, buy different currencies, gold, silver, everything, and buy at low rate and sell it and at high rate and get extra profit. First of all, I give you open account, telling you how can you open account. Click on for trader, open account. Now you can this page accept an agreement. This is a opening forum. Individual, put your name, date of birth, address, city name, phone number, postcode, phone number, email address, give password and click on generate button. In account tab you can put standard. If you are in Asia, then you can click on Hong Kong. Leverage set as 1.200, currency set as USD. If you are in Muslim country, then click on here affiliated code. This affiliated code gives you extra income. If you put here OK star, then you get extra $50 from my side. I will pay you extra $50. Okay, this if you and extra, and I give you extra services like alert news, everything, tips, analysis report, and also give you nice information about forex market. Please put this code and get extra income from my side. Click on then company give you username, password, add your email. Okay friend, now this is a software. This is software where you can this is a platform where you can buy and sell download terminal, trading terminal. Okay dear, click on here. And download it. When you download, finish the download, this software is appear on the on your desktop. Click on it and give username, password, and login. You can log in this password and okay. Here this software is working. You can check here. If this software is not working, that show here invalid account or connection in problem. Okay dear, this is the software. This is the currency. You can check this. Please set this display on our screen. Here you can see some currency silver. Right click on the side, show the symbol. You can see many other currencies. Everything you can find. Low and high. Low and high mean this rate will be shown previous 40 to 24 hours. Market will high rate and low rate previous for 24 hours. Now you can here just do buy and sell. Okay, for example, you can buy this currency euro and USD. This is the most popular currency, only played in two currency. Now you can see this display. This is volume. Volume mean quantity, how much quantity you want to buy. If you have uh, big investment, then you start here. 1.00 set as this quantity. Now you expose you want to buy this currency, just click on buy button. Company give that your order is done. Now you see here, you buy this rate and now current this rate at the same time you lost $2. Okay, you can check here. This is a company give you everything. This is a $2, 2.00. I'm buying this rate, now going this rate, so that's why I'm in loss $2. You can wait, when market move up, your loss will be become profit, and then you can close it. For expose, I'm just telling you this lot is going plus 2 point. For example, just expose, just double click on you can see no is minus $1. You can wait, but I'm telling you, so I'm just double click on it, double click. Now you can see as a minus 0 0. Close at this rate, close, not sell, just close. If you want to close this on the rate, just click on close button. Now you can your lot is closed. You can check in all in history. Yes, is everything okay. Now just you can do here buy and selling. Everyone click here. Sell mean is advance selling, is not sell to the goods. It mean advance selling. It's same opposite of buying. Sell means when rate is go you can understand buy meaning. For example, if you buy a rate $10 and rate will be moved 120, then it means you get profit $20. Sell means it's advance selling. It means when you sell click on sell button. Look here, you can see $3. If rate move down, then you get profit. Okay, it's same opposite of buying. I hope you understand this point of view. This, if you want to close, then double click here, close button. This you can check the $4 minus dollar lot. I hope you understand this point of view. Later check this. This is the graph. Drag here. You can check everything. If you put any, if you put more currency, then click on symbol button. You can find many other currencies. You can say just double click on it. It's appear in the window. I suggest you just trading in currency, two currency. Never touch silver and gold because this is dangerous. Just working in Euro and Great British Pound. This is the software. Is all software, and everything is account opening is free. No any extra fees. Just now you can telling you how you can deposit money and withdraw money. Okay, dear. Open the website. Open the website page and you can see here client cabinet. Click on client cabinet, give username, ID and password, and then click on login button. Then you can find this display. This display shows you everything. You can check company services, financial operation. You have watch the option deposit money, withdraw money. Instead for MasterCard, you can also apply for MasterCard. Deposit money, click on deposit money. You can see I'm now in minus $53 loss. I'm waiting to up the rate, so I will close that. Deposit money, after you can see many options how you can deposit the money. Which one you like, you can click on and submit to the company. No extra fees when you deposit, same time is added in your account. Same you can click on withdraw button, same option will be show which option you like, then withdraw the money. I hope you understand all. If you want extra bonus and extra payment, then I will tell you contact me, and also open this account from my link. My link is under show the video. My email address and Skype address and phone number, everything is show under the video. You can check me everything. Okay dear, I hope you can understand.